Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at your homes. Before going to start this session, I would like to introduce myself. I am Surendra Bhukia, teacher of English, working with TTWRJC Boys, Singareni. Students, in previous class, we learnt about minor discourses. How many minor discourses are there, students? There are 6 minor discourses. What are they? One is message writing, second one is diary entry, third one is notice writing, fourth one is profile writing, and fifth one is poster making, and sixth one is invitation. Out of these 6, we already learnt about 2 minor discourses, that is message writing and diary entry. Today, I am going to discuss another 2 minor discourses. One is notice writing and second one is profile writing, right? Have a look on slide, students. Notice writing. Notice writing is very important in our daily lives. Notices in schools are usually pasted on the notice board so that everyone can read them. Government makes important notices public by publishing them in daily newspapers and magazines. What is notice, student? A notice is very short piece of writing which is usually in formal style. It is a method to convey a message or information in brief to all concerned persons. It is widely used by individuals and organizations to announce events and celebrations, births and deaths, occasions like inaugurations and sales, to issue public instructions, etc. Right? How to write notice? Student, notice an effective writing an effective notice is a kind of art that can be acquired with practice by keeping some basic points in mind while writing them out. Notice should give complete information and must be written in a clear style and easily understandable language. Okay. So, what is the format for notice writing? So, notices written for some official or non-official meetings should definitely have the following. So, notices encloses in the box. First, you have to draw a box here. Notices encloses in the box. Then, write down name of the institution name of the institution. Then, write down notice. These 2 are written in capital letter and both are in middle of the box. Then leave some space and write down date here. So, you know, students, you know the exact format of date, right? What is the date format? 24th August 2020. This is the exact format of date. Then write heading. Heading is your event. Which event you are going to celebrate, that is your heading. Then write down content here. Content. Then leave some space here. Then write down writer's name or signature and designation. So this is the format for notice writing. So in the content, what we have to write? So in the content, the words limit is 50 to 60 words only. Then write third person. Who are the third person students? Third persons: he, she, it, they, Ramu. These are third persons in English. So first person Ivy, second person you and you, third person he, she, it, they, Ramu. So then event should be described very short in the notice writing. Then finally you have to maintain this is the very important point in the notice writing. So you have to mention date, day, time and venue. So this is the important point: date, day, time and venue. So you have to mention in the notice writing. Okay, students. So I have done one example for you. Let us see the example. All right, here the question. Look at the slide, students. So read the question first. You are Rahul, head boy of TTW URJC Boys Singareni. Your school is going to organize an inter-school singing competition. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting names of all the interested students. So here the notice, so read the notice here: TTWRJC Boys Singareni, and notice these two are in capital letters. You should write these two are in capital letters and also these two are in middle of the box. Then write date. Write date 24th August 2020, the exact format of date. Then write down heading. Heading is your event. Inter-school singing competition. This heading write either in capital letter or in small letter, that is your choice. Okay, students. Then content here: our school is organizing an inter-school singing competition on September 3rd, 2020, Tuesday at 12 p.m. in the school auditorium. More than 20 schools from all over the Khammam district will participate. Interested student may contact the undersigned latest by August 30, 2020. Then I have given some space. Then I have written writer's name Rahul and designation head boy. So observe the content here. So our school, I is the first person, you is the second person, our school is the third person, isn't it? So I have mentioned third person here. Then an inter-school singing competition is our event. I have written event also in the notice. Then the very important point is September 3rd, 2020 is the date, and a Tuesday is the day, and 12 p.m. is the time, and the school auditorium is the venue. So, I have mentioned these also in the diary. Okay, students, I hope you all understood well. Okay, students. So, let us go to the next topic. Our next topic is profile writing, or biographical sketch, or autobiography. Okay, students. So, let us see the slide. How to write a good paragraph. While we are writing a paragraph, follow the clues given carefully. First, you have to follow the clues. Then, your contributing sentences must lead logically to the concluding one. This means you need to present it in some kind of order. From starting to ending, you have to follow the order. Then, see that your paragraph is grammatical, idiomatical, and in simple language. So, your paragraph must be in grammatical, and idiomatical means, so it should be natural as well as correct, and you should use simple language. Then, writing a really good paragraph is something of an art. You can learn it through practice. Okay. So, I have done one example for you. Students, look at the question here. Given below is the profile of Dr. Mary Madhavi. Write a paragraph using the clues given below. So, here the profile of Dr. Mary Madhavi. So, name Dr. Mary Madhavi, age 42 years, qualification MSc PhD, occupation professor in physics in Delhi University, hobbies watching birds, reading novels, reasons for her popularity, soft spoken, warm hearted, and ready to help others, academic achievements, paper presentation of waste management, author of a book, ecological crisis. This is the profile of Dr. Mary Madhavi. Using this profile, we have to write a paragraph. So, let us begin the paragraph using the clues given. So, first of all, first step is read the clues carefully. Then, second clue is begin the paragraph with an introductory statement. And third step is don't beat around the bush. Stick to the clues. Go to the point. Right? Let us begin with an introductory statement. So, look at the board, students. I am going to write an introductory statement here. So, Dr. Mary Madhavi is one of the famous professors of India. So, look at the screen, look at the board. Dr. Mary Madhavi is one of the famous professors of India. So, in this sentence, here the structure is there, here the structure is always takes plural nouns, isn't it, student? The structure is always takes plural noun. What is the singular form of professor? So, the singular form of professors is professor, isn't it? So, look at the another example. C is one of the famous players are singers or politicians. Okay, sir. Politicians. So, like this. C is one of the famous players. So, one of the takes the plural noun players. What is the singular form of players? Player. What is the singular form of singers? Singer. What is the player? What is the plural form of politicians? Politician. Isn't it, students? So, here the structure one of the is always takes plural nouns, right? So, this is the introductory statement. Let us begin. So, students, what is our first clue? So, our first clue 1 and 2, name Dr. Mary Madhavi, and second one is age 42 years. Isn't it, students? So, using these two clues we can write one sentence here. C is 42 years old. Then clue 3. What is our clue 3? Qualification. Qualification is MSc PhD, right? So, according to this clue, using this clue, we can write C has completed MSc with PhD, right, students? Then clue 4. Clue 4. What is our clue? Clue 4 is occupation. Occupation is professor in physics. In Delhi University, right? So, using this clue we can write C is working as a professor in physics in Delhi University. Okay, students. So, then our clue 5 is hobbies. Hobbies are watching birds, and reading novels. So, Using this clue, we can write her hobbies are watching birds, and reading novels. Then what is our clue 6? Clue 6. Our clue 6 is reasons for her popularity. Reason for her popularity: soft spoken, warm hearted, and ready to help others. So, using this clue, we can write she is very popular among her students. She is very popular among her students. She is soft spoken, warm hearted, and ready to help others. So, this is the clue 6, and next clue 7. What is our clue 7, students? Our clue 7 is academic achievements. Academic achievements. So, paper presentation of waste management. So, using this clue, we can write she has made a presentation on waste management. Next, clue 8, final clue is author of a book. Author of a book. Ecological crisis. So, she has written, according to this clue, we can write she has written a book. She has written a book, Ecological Crisis. Right. So we have written sentences using with the clues, isn't it, students? So let us write a paragraph using these sentences. Have a look on slide. Let us write a paragraph. Dr. Mary Madhavi is one of the famous professors of India. She is 42 years old. She has completed her MSc with PhD. She is working as a professor in physics in Delhi University. Her hobbies are watching birds and reading novels. She is very popular among her students. She is soft-spoken, warm-hearted, and ready to help others. She has made a presentation on waste management, and she has written a book, Ecological Crisis. These are the simple steps to write a profile. How to write a profile into paragraph? Our examiner will ask profile, will give profile in the examination, and we will write a paragraph. So biographical sketch also like this, and autobiography also like this you have to write in the examination. So this will come up with practice only. Okay, students. So I hope you understood well, and before concluding my session, I would like to thank our government and our beloved secretary R.S. Praveen Kumar Garu, so who made this wonderful opportunity, and wonderful opportunity to the students, and my special thanks to our OSD Srinivas Kumar Garu, who recognized me and gave me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.